Have we become numb as a society due to the senseless violence and crime that we see happening here in Jamaica on a daily basis? It almost feels like I'm in jail and these criminals out there are the jailer. Kevaughn was focusing his attention on attending to a customer, and then from out of nowhere this nigga come up and shoot the youth. He tried to run off, but he was unfortunately unable to escape the clutches of the gunman and was shot in his upper body several times. The killer escaped on a bike with another crony. Kevaughn was not robbed as it was being said. He was shot point blank and left to die. And of course, we are now left with the question as to why. And there has been a number of speculation. One being that this was a message being sent to management who seem to not be complying to extortion. Again, this is what is being said on the street, so take it with a grain of salt. But back to the question I initially asked. Have we become numb, tone deaf, or worse, less apathetic to people, situations like this, and overall what is happening in our country? I would like to think not, and I am personally still holding on to hope that Jamaica might turn around one day. But in the meantime, where is the outrage for this kid and other young men like him who are being slaughtered on a daily basis? 104 persons in this month alone, January, have passed away due to violent crime. Listen, people, a society that loses its capacity for outrage is doomed. With that said, what do you think is happening in Jamaica? Is there some evil force at play? I would honestly love to know your thoughts, so leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching The Rotted Show. I am Kemar, and if you want to support this channel, there is a PayPal and a Patreon link down in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.